I said agriculture and industries. First question we are going to see, agriculture and industries are not exclusive of each other. They move hand in hand. Justify this statement with examples. I said that agriculture and industries cannot exclusive of each other, means cannot exist without each other. Agriculture and industry, ये notes में आपका रहेगा. Tomorrow you can be able to get it. Agriculture and industries are not exclusive of each other. They cannot sustain without each other. Understood? It means, समझ में आ गया? It means I said that both support each other. They move hand in hand. Justify this statement. Understood? If I am talking about, okay, कैसे रहेगा agriculture and industry? If I am talking about agro-based industries, जितने भी agro-based industries which are going, if I am talking about sugar industry, which industry? Sugar industry. Second one I said that jute industry, cotton textile industry, paper industries, any more industries if you are taking in the name of it, rice mills and all, woolen and all. Woolen is an agro-based industries. Woolen is in a shipping through the ships, rearing. It is known as an animal husbandry, and animal husbandry is a part of agriculture. So I said that silk industry, all are agro-based industries. So I said that agro-based industries are highly dependent on the raw material from the agriculture. It means agro-based industry depends upon agriculture. That we have seen. सारे नाम लिखोगे आप. And then we will say that cotton textile industry is highly, based on, I said that, highly based on which? Cotton raw material. And cotton raw material कहाँ grow होता है वो लिख देना आप लोग. And then we'll see, like I said that, साथ में लिख लेंगे, एक आइडिया होते जाएगा. Cotton textile industry. You should have an idea. If I am talking about the cotton textile industry, I said that it is an agro-based industries. And it depends upon agriculture. And which agriculture I said that? I said cotton. जहाँ पे कॉटन ग्रो होगा, कॉटन विल सप्लाई रॉ मटेरियल, कॉटन विल सप्लाई रॉ मटेरियल. इससे ये समझ में आ चुका. देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट देयर इज एन अनदर, आई सेड जूट टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट इज इट सेड दैट जूट. कॉटन किस एरिया में होगा? वेयर द सॉइल इज clay. Soil कैसा हो? Clay soil. Cotton should grow in the area where there is, and I said that soil is, just tell me fast, soil is what? Clay. So that which can hold the water, And then for the cotton again I said that it should be rainfall ऊपर से नहीं होना चाहिए. Rainfall should not be from the top. It means it should not grow in the region of what is a good rainfall. It should grow in what? ऊपर से यदि पानी गिरेगा, then what will happen? Then cotton ball production will reduce. उसकी productivity कम हो जाएगी, वो खराब हो जाएगा. So किस region में grow होना चाहिए? Arid and semi-arid region. In which region? Arid and, yes tell me, arid and semi-arid region. Understood? किस region में grow करना चाहिए? Yes tell me. Arid and semi-arid region. Another I said that इसका मतलब पानी तो चाहिए. They need water, but water should not come from the top. Water should be from the what? Down. And that is known as an irrigation-based crop. Irrigation-based crop. So ये किस पर based है? Yes, highly based on what? Irrigation. Therefore it is growing. और इंडिया में कहाँ पर ये रेनफॉल कम हो रहा है? Where the India is receiving less rainfall. Where the India is receiving less rainfall, and where we can do this, we can have a cotton textile industry. Tell me, in which region? I said that in the region of first region I said that South Punjab, West Haryana, and then I say नॉर्थ वेस्ट राजस्थान. तो ये कौन सा रीजन है सेट है? सदर्न पंजाब. विच रीजन आई सेड दैट? गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सदर्न पंजाब, वेस्ट हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न हरियाणा. I said that South Punjab, West Haryana and all. यहाँ पे क्यों हो रहा है? The reason I said that. Why? Rainfall is less. Arid and semi-arid region. पंजाब रीजन में यहाँ पे कितना होता है? 40 सेंटीमीटर, 40 to 50 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल. और दूसरा है सॉइल कैसा है यहाँ पर? क्ले. तो सदर्न पंजाब, then you will see West Haryana, understood, Hisar, Sirsa and all, and northwest Rajasthan, Ganganagar, and then Hanumangarh, nearby Bikaner, all. Understood? This is the one region we can be able to see. Another, this is, I said that, Aravalli range, or I said that this is Malwa Plateau. Which one I said? Second reason that we can be able to see Malwa Plateau. Understood? जहाँ पे famous in the Malwa Plateau cotton is grown, which I said that black soil, and black soil क्या देता है? Clay. Black soil is a clay soil, therefore it is good. So I said that Malwa Plateau. So it is also covering this. Malwa Plateau means Indore, Ratlam. These are the region if you have heard about. And I said that, and this region is receiving 50 to 70 centimeter rainfall. और एरिड का मतलब आप जानते होंगे कि लेस देन 30 सेंटीमीटर. सेमी एरिड मीन्स 30 to 60 सेंटीमीटर. मालवा प्लेटू. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन these are the rainfall and soil is, I know that the soil कौन सा है? Black, and the government is providing irrigation. और यहाँ पर irrigation is provided. और यहाँ पर भी soil कैसा है? Clay. And irrigation किसके द्वारा प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है? इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल. Who is providing? Yes. Understood? Indira Gandhi Canal in the southern Punjab, West Haryana and northwest Rajasthan. And here Malwa Plateau, it is also cotton growing region. Rainfall is 50 to 70 centimeter. Climate में बताता हूँ मैं वहाँ पे. और Indian जब mapping बताता हूँ, that time also used to say soil is black. Black means clay soil, and then the irrigation is available. And you know that there is a Chambal river projects are there. Which river I said? Irrigation किससे मिल रहा है? Chambal river project. Third one, I said that गुजरात, 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 ये ऑर्डर में नहीं है, नंबर 1 गुजरात है, ध्यान में रखिएगा, इट इज नॉट इन द ऑर्डर, गुजरात इज नंबर 1. गुजरात में इन विच रीजन आई सेड दैट Gujarat has been divided into 3 physiographic divisions: Kathiawar, Kutch and Gujarat plain. It is divided into 3 physiographic divisions. So Gujarat, I said that Kathiawar and Gujarat plain. Kutch में नहीं. In this region, आपको पता है कि कच्छ में 200 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया को जो कच्छ रण ऑफ कच्छ है, जो सलाइन है, वहां पे सेडिमेंटेशन करके रिक्लेम किया गया और ग्रेजिंग लैंड में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. I said that Kathiawar in this region soil is, I said that black, rainfall is, I said that 50 to 60 centimeter. How much? And there is what irrigation method is, irrigation method बहुत बेस्ट यूटिलाइज किया जा रहा है. And less water should be there. I said that sprinkle irrigation, drip irrigation. तो method पानी को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं. Irrigation method, they are using best irrigation method. And then I said that sprinkle irrigation, and I said that drip irrigation method. Understood? In the Gujarat, then I am talking about, I said that Maharashtra. Which one I said that? Maharashtra region. Shall I remove this? लेकिन गुजरात में क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा. इट इज ऑल्सो डूइंग व्हाट? ट्यूबवेल इरिगेशन. यदि जहाँ पे पानी इरिगेशन से नहीं मिल रहा है, दैट इज एन रिवर कैनाल इरिगेशन एंड ऑल, सो दे आर डूइंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ विच इरिगेशन? अंडरस्टूड? Understood? Maharashtra में crop cotton, and Maharashtra, if I Maharashtra 4th, and this is the reason in the Maharashtra, the whole Maharashtra I am talking about, the region is having 40 to 60 centimeter rainfall. It is in a leeward side of Western Ghat, leeward side of Western Ghat. Then I said that soil, you know, that black soil. Understood? And there is, and I said that several canal irrigation. आपको rivers याद होंगे आपको. I said that there is a Godavari river is going on, and if you remember that from that side which rivers are coming? Sabri, Indravati, Venganga and Vardha get together become Pranhita. Then Vardha के साथ मिल गया Penganga, and then Unada, and right side से you can remember that I said there is a Mulla and the largest right bank Majra. Understood? Revision में रखें. And then black soil. तो the reason I said that canal irrigation थोड़ा सा है यहाँ पर, क्योंकि southern India में canal irrigation ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. Southern India में canal irrigation is not the best effective method. There is a tube well and tank irrigation. So थोड़ा सा canal irrigation, but there is a more of, I said that tube well irrigation. Understood? Tube well irrigation, Maharashtra. Understood? एंड कुछ डैम्स के नाम याद करके वो आप लोग लिख देना, दैट विल बी गुड फॉर यू. आपको कराया जा चुका है रिवर्स में. So another Maharashtra we have been able to see similar kind of, I said that next fifth situation, if I am Telangana, in this region Telangana itself it is in a black soil, which way I said that black soil in Telangana, and the reason the receiving the rainfall receiving, I said that around 50-70 centimeter. Telangana, how much rainfall? I said 52, and there is a soil is black, there is a canal irrigation, and the dams are, you know that, आपको if you remember, there is a Rameshwar, sorry, क्या है, Sri Ram Sagar and Sri Ram Gundam. These are the two famous, याद है ना, Ram, understood it? Then and other reason I said that तो नाम लिख लेना, some dams का नाम लिखोगे, the answer will become more effective along with the districts over the period जब याद होते जाए, then that you can fetch more marks. You need to fetch more marks. Telangana, understood it?